Hi, in this video, we'll go over the list feature of GTM Hub. Lists are a way for you to build a custom view of items in GTM Hub and share with others. You can create lists of objectives, key results, and tasks. Some examples of the lists you can create include team OKRs, achieved objectives, company OKRs, key results not updated in the last 3 weeks, and tasks that are past due. Lists can be accessed from the Lists section of the left navigation. Click on All Lists to open them. On the page, you'll see all of the lists that you've created and the ones that have been shared with you. For your convenience, we've added an option to add your lists in the main navigation. Click on the Show in Navigation toggle to enable this. You can also filter the results from the selector next to the Create List button. To create a list, click on Create List and enter the list's name. We'll create a list of the key results with 0% progress. Again, you can choose between a list of objectives, key results, or tasks. Since we're creating a list with key results, we'll select Key Result. After you create a list, you can choose additional filters in the first drop-down menu to include Owner, Session, and other filters like Progress or Tags. First, we're going to remove all filters for Owner because we want key results with 0% progress. We're also going to select the sessions Annual Session 2020 and Q3 2020 because those are the ones that we're interested in. Then we'll add an additional filter for progress that equals 0. You can add or remove columns in your list by choosing which columns you'd like to include or exclude. We'll include an additional column to show the last update note. You can also reorder the columns. So we're going to put objective right after the title. Another thing you can do is adjust the widths of the columns so you can see more information at one time. You can also sort by various dimensions. So we're going to sort by last updated at in descending order. You can edit the title by clicking on the title and editing in line. Note that changes are not saved automatically, so that lists aren't adjusted by accident. To save your changes, click on Save Changes. You can configure who has access to your lists. By default, all lists you create will be private to you, such that only you can see them. The other 3 options are Restricted, where you can invite users and give them access. You can also make it so that everyone can see your list, or that everyone can edit your list. If you create a list for someone else, it does not automatically show up in their left navigation bar. They will have to log in and enable Show in Navigation by toggling. You can also clone and delete lists. All users can clone a list if they can see it. Cloning can save you time from entering the same information over and over again. For instance, you may want to have lists of all the OKRs for each team. You can create one list, clone it, and then adjust the owner in the filters. To demonstrate, we'll clone the engineering team OKRs list. To do this, we will clone and then change the filters. We'll remove engineering and all the engineering members, and let's say we want to show all of the sales objectives. We'll filter for sales as the owner, and we will edit the title, so now it will say sales. A final note, admins can delete all lists, while other users can delete only the lists they have created. Thanks for watching.